So, we've been working on the Can-Am today. Put the light bar on there, the flagpole. It just wasn't too bad. We got the switch there. The only thing clean in it right now. Took everything off. It's actually just pretty easy setup. Hooked it up to the battery. And yes, I know, I gotta wash it up, the whole thing. I used one of the brackets that go up here for the light bar. And all I did is, actually, if you take a look, I drilled one hole, two hole, and then just ran it, because there is no real way of hooking this up here. There's no Can-Am made this like bars looking thing, and it didn't come out pretty good for this application anyways. So all I did was drill the holes, did all my connections. It's pretty easy. Comes with your remote, green and red, red and black. Red is your hot, black is your ground. I hooked up that switch to that right there, which is auxiliary. Red to power, black to ground. Hook up to whatever your switch says. Well, enough about that. Let's try it out. Oh, there we go. Power on. We got red, green, white, blue, yellow, some sort of aqua looking color, purple, and then we just have a little stroke on it. Colors. Pretty cool. I dig it. Amazon. 70 bucks. Comes with a little flag. I get it all set up. The only thing I don't like on this system is when you shut this off. I don't know if I can turn it off or not. You still see that. I'm gonna have to unhook the negative to that, because I can turn it back on. Oh wait, I gotta turn the switch on, and then it just comes back on. I can shut it off, and it stays off, but the light still turns on, stays on, so you can kind of see it. So you guys go ahead and comment, like us, do the thumbs up, but mainly just subscribe, and we will show you guys when I do the other side. I'm gonna order the other one next couple of days, and then we'll get this put together, run it through the car wash. Well, take it and wash it, not run it through the car wash, and get it going, because even my winch wasn't working, and it was all because it was completely full of gunk. I usually keep some sockets in here, that's why the hood's open. But overall, wasn't easy, too hard to do. Took me 20 minutes. The hardest part is just cleaning this up, and I will do that later. Alright guys, well, appreciate you looking at it, and if you have any comments or a difference on doing it, and if you know how to shut that light off, I wouldn't mind you letting me know how. I just don't want it to drain my battery when it sits. I do keep it in a battery tender, but I don't want it to die while we are out and about in the trails. Alright guys, have a good night.